Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we're going to show you guys the easiest way to create professional charts in Excel. Before we get started with this video, we wanted to let you guys know that we're actually running a giveaway for Microsoft software through the end of the month. At the end of the giveaway, one lucky subscriber will receive any Microsoft software of their choice from Indigo Software completely free. Indigo Software is an authorized reseller of Microsoft software, which means this will be a 100% authentic copy of whichever software you choose. To enter the giveaway, just follow the steps in this video. If you're interested in purchasing Microsoft Office, Windows 10, Windows 11, remote desktop licenses, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. So without further ado, let's jump in. Alright guys, so we're here inside of Microsoft Excel. I have a set of data here, and this is telling me the users per operating system over the last few years. So this is effectively telling me in 2020, the amount of people in millions that have used Windows 7, Windows 10, Windows 11, or Mac OS. And then I've got this grouped into several years. So the first step to creating this chart is going to have your data laid out in a similar fashion. You just want your data to be reflecting accurately what values you want to display on the chart. Next up, we can create a new tab. I've already got one here that I called Dashboard, and this is going to be my chart. Clicking over to the Insert tab, we have this whole section in the middle here called Charts. Now, there are a lot of different types of charts that we can make. For example, line charts. We have 2D line charts, we have 3D line charts, we've got bar charts, pie charts. And so we could really use any of these that we would like, and these three are probably going to be the most common. I think for this, a bar graph would be the most appropriate. So I'm going to click down on this, and let's just go with the first 2D column. As we can see, nothing has happened quite yet, and that's because we have to go in and select our data set. If I hold down Alt while I'm dragging this around, it'll snap it to cells. So I can easily resize this and put it exactly where I want to. So maybe I want it to be about this size. Next up, we're going to see a button here called Select Data. Let's hit this. With this box open, we'll go back to our Data tab, and then I'm just going to actually select all of this data. So click and drag to select, and I'll press the Enter key. As we can see, this automatically pulled in our data to make a chart. Now from here, it's actually very easy to adjust this. We have some controls right here. Let's start with chart elements. That's this little plus symbol right here. Now here we could enable or disable certain elements of the chart. For example, we have axis titles. We can add data labels, which I think looks good. We can add a data table below. We could add error or deviation bars. We could add a legend off to the right. Eventually, we could add a trend line. For example, if I select Windows 10 here, which clearly has a trend, we can see that trend line appearing. Next up, let's click below to the paintbrush, and here we can choose the style or colors of the chart. Some of these have various different designs, and I actually like this dark one here. Next up, over to color. These are going to change the color palettes or presets. So again, I can click on various different color palettes here or monochromatic, and these are all just stylistic preferences. Now, next up, this is the filter. So basically, if I wanted to, I could remove data from this and we could only view that. So if I don't want to see Windows 7, or actually it would make sense if I removed Mac from this, maybe if we just wanted to compare Windows, and I'll hit apply. And so that's going to basically act as a dynamic control for what I want to view or don't want to view on my chart. And that's pretty much it for creating professional charts inside of Excel. This is a very helpful tool, and it's very easy to get a sort of dynamic dashboard put together with just a few clicks. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about anything that we've covered, drop those in the comments below, and we'll get back with you as soon as we can. Again, for a chance to win any Microsoft software of your choice with an official Microsoft license, click this video and follow the steps for a chance to win. As always, if you're interested in purchasing Microsoft software at a great price, be sure to check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. As our channel grows, we're constantly looking for new video topic ideas to make. If you have any videos of your own that you'd like to see us cover, we encourage you to drop those in the comments below. Most of these requests get made into actual videos. Lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps to support the channel. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.